Hey, it's Lee at Craftsman Directed. We're in Apex this morning, and I like Apex. His backyards look like that. But we have a customer that's asked us to build. Basically, it's a 10 by 12 deck. The 10-foot line runs perpendicular to the house. The 12-foot runs along the house plane. There is a crawl space available such that you can bolt a 2 by 12 that's hardy, so that the flashing will be very simple. It is a smooth, non-beaded cedar mill, and the decking board's running a 45, and he would like to have those continued. And we have a couple options. One is to put a terminator board between the two and then start a new angle run, or we can actually traverse from the existing, and I would like to maintain that same. The only problem is it would be in a line. So let's look at that deck and see if we can interlace everything so that it doesn't look like this was an addition. The stairs at the end of the 12-foot, roughly here, we build a 4-foot by 4-foot pad, and we will take the stair, turn it 90 degrees so that it terminates facing the home, and suggested a spindle set similar to what he has. It looks like he's got, what is that, a 1 by 2 underneath that that top rail, and also on top of the bottom railing. And a spindle set looks like it's sitting on that standard 3.5 inches. And obviously, with having lattice, that we would want to continue the lattice run so that we end up with this looking like it was not an addition. Scott, we didn't talk about your concrete. And we can leave it alone, or we can remove it.
Yeah, I'd like to press it.
Both ways?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's what is that, a 4-foot by 4-foot pad, and to remove that concrete, and then also his curve here, and the second, obviously, pricing at 0 to leave it. Actually, we may have to, because we will need to put a pier pretty much where my feet are. And so something has to happen here, because our very first inspection will be an empty hole on a footing. Okay. And they will need to measure the length and the width and the depth. Okay. They will also need to do a pressure test, so that if we can ever get clear skies, and we have so many folks waiting for the opportunity to have us come over and do some outdoor work. Yeah. But this has been a tough winter. Yeah. Anyway, I think that's all the information we have, and I'll work up a quote for Scott.